What you mean, who there? Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Where you look for? Jeffrey. There's no one here, you know. Oh, we are shush. There's no one here. Jeffrey. You lose a shadow?
Who pay for the apartment?
You're paying for it, Jeffrey.
And who pay the bills, you know?
You, Jeffrey.
Okay. And who buy the phone there?
This phone? You, Jeffrey.
So how your phone go off and call my phone? And me hear you a man in here a gigi la 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 la, a laugh and a gigi about the place.
You dial my phone and hear me and man giggle?
So allow me to tell you.
You're sure that's what you heard? Because I was sleeping?
Let me tell you what happened.
What's going to happen, Jeffrey?
Me not stop searching ya until me find what me I look for.
Just like how me never stop search your phone until me find where me I look for.
You don't know my password.
So you feel 3547211 and you're so predictable.
You're not going on my phone.
Ooh! Me make sure make it my pointer duty. For screenshot all the conversations you were having to my phone. Should I elaborate? As in, do you want to see the screenshots, Jeffrey? Should I read them for you? Yes or no? Let me read it for you. So, you tell the one Britchie, say she better than peak hour traffic. Cannot even bumper to bumper no so tight. Me a free flow traffic?
No, babe. You vice script.
No man, my hours are from 10 to 3. Eh? Must say you wanted early. Oh, I tell the one Keisha said fear body come like the 2 and them 9 o'clock. She just a take her on her own. So I watch merry-go-round me awa. Eh? Me awa stick? Nothing now go around for me.
You never said that, babe. You never said that. I could come and feel so good. So we can just talk about it tomorrow.
Yeah, we definitely gonna talk about it tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't feel so good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I did after tomorrow. Yeah?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Alright.
Mm.